No way! This is so cool! We just rode to a castle! No way we can keep riding up. You're killing me. Wheeling up a castle. First? Is this a first? Oh, come on. No way. What? Dude, thanks for bringing me here, man. This is sick. Damn.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. King in the castle, king in the castle.
Wow, this thing is so much bigger than I thought. We were just down there. Imagine having this castle 1,000 years ago, looking down on all these peasants. We went to the top of that? Damn! Oh my god! And what town is it that we just went through? Valkish. This is one of the best riding cities I've ever seen. Is right there. You got the city, and then you got 2 mountains full of trails.
Have a chair. I have a chair.
Here we go. Here we go. This is sport mode. We're out.